Hey, welcome back. In this video, we're now going to set up the exiting system for the character. So this is similar to the character setup. It's just a little bit simpler, and has a slight difference. So the first thing we need to do is we need to open up the sedan here. Now, what we need to do is we need to make a new component, and this is going to be used to reference where the character is going to be, because at the minute, as we enter this car and say we drove over here, we have disabled or hidden the character, and we've also disabled the collision. However, the player would still be standing here. You just can't interact with it. So we need a way to update where the character respawns. So to do this, what we're going to do is we're going to choose add components, and I'm going to add an arrow component. I'm going to call this spawn location, and I'm going to take this arrow and pull it just outside the box, so we could, rotate this if we like. Like 90 degrees, pull this up, so you see that player will be spawned outside this area. Now I'm spawning this outside the box because of the way this is scripted, is that if we actually spawn say here, then the character has then re-entered the overlapped area, and this could cause some issues. So I'm just going to spawn this just outside, and everything should be fine. So I'm going to press save. Now what we need to do is, let's see, we need to open up the sedan. We need to go back to the graph, and let's just connect these two together, which we missed last time. Let's just make sure that doesn't break the game. It should be fine now. Play from here. Okay, enter this area, press E. Okay, so we move around, press escape. Okay, so open up the sedan. Let's just go back to the components. Let's just move this a little bit. There we go. Like this, press save. Okay, so we're going to go back to the graph now, and we're inside the sedan, and we're going to right click and type in exit. And we want that event, that exit event. Let's see. Okay, exit car. And from here, what we need to do is drag out and type in get actor I'm going to get actor transform. Let's see. Let's see, not get. We want to set actor. There we go. We want to set the actor transform, and we want to plug this in. And what we also want to do is we want to get the spawn location, and from here we want to set, let's see, set world transform. So we want to set the world transform. There we go. Let's see, not set, get, sorry. Yeah. Get world transform, and then we can plug this into this new location. We want to take the player character, and we want to get this, and we want to plug this into the target. So essentially what we've done here is when we press the E key, we have set the actor's transform, and that transform is based on this location. So we take the spawn location, we find the world transform, which basically just holds the information to where this arrow is in the world, and we plug this in here, and the target for that is going to be the play character. So next thing we want to do is we need to begin to reverse some of the effects of the character over here. So if we look over here, we had this to be hidden, and then we had the collision to be disabled. So what we need to do is we need to reset the actor hidden. So let's type in hidden. And then set actor hidden in game. And if we go back over here, you see we got set actor hidden in game, and this is checked. So we actually want to uncheck this. Let's just substitute this for the right one. So we're going to check this. And then we also need to enable collision. So set actor enable collision, and let's see, we need to actually check this on. So yep, so we can turn this on and bring these together. And what we need to do now after that is we also need to repossess our character here. So we need to get player controller. So let's type in the get player controller, and we need to repossess this. So possession, and we're gonna put this in over here, and the in pawn is going to be the play character. So we can get this, and we can put this in here. So if we compile this, and let's just run this, and let's just have a look what happens. So we run around, press the E key, nothing happens. We get inside the overlapped area, press the E key, we move around, say we drive over here, and then say we press the E key. You can see we have something going on there. So let's see what happened. So let's see. The chances are is that it's most likely to do with the location, which it says. I mean, we rotated this, so we may need to rotate this back 90. Let's see. And let's compile this and play from here. So we can get in, get out. Okay, so it looks like there is still something going on. Let's see. Let's move this down to about halfway. Pull this out a little bit. Let's go through this. Now there will be another issue here, and that we will deal in the next video, and that will be if the car is on a sort of slant, the player will also be slanted, and we would also need to fix that by resetting some of the values inside the blueprint. But let's just see what happens there. Okay. So we spawn outside. Let's just double check this blueprint here. So let's go back over here. See, to character. And let's have a look. So, okay, so the problem is we need to get the player and set this to the target of both of these, as we are unhiding these, but we've not really set anything here to be unhidden. So I guess I just overlooked this. So let's compile this, and let's go back into the game, play from here. Okay, let's press E, let's move around. Let's press E again. Okay, so now you can see I'm outside the car moving around. Now, there is a problem. Let me show you this. This is something we need to fix in the next video. But if we are, say, up on this ramp, okay, and then we press the E key to get out, you can see that we move down, and let's see. Just get back on this flat, and then when we stand still, there would be a slight rotation, and we can get this. It's not really showing up now, but we will fix that next.